Create beautiful bead art with Funskool's Hello Kitty and Friends Weaving Beads Kit. Learn a fun new weaving technique and turn colorful beads into adorable keychains. Inside the box, you'll find 2 rollers, 4 nuts, a wooden rod, 6 thread lockers, threads of 4 different colors, colorful beads, a pink and orange satin thread, 2 needles, 2 hooks, 2 ball chains. Everything you need to start weaving right away. Let's get started. First, assemble your weaving loom by attaching the rollers and securing them in place using nuts. Once your loom is ready, it's time to set up threads and prepare for weaving. Ready for your first project? Start with the coaster. Using the same weaving technique, create a colorful coaster that's perfect for your desk, study table or favorite drink. Now let's learn the weaving technique. Thread the loom and follow the pattern guide row by row. String the beads onto the needle, weave them through the threads and gently push them into place. Repeat the process one row at a time and watch your design slowly come to life. Feeling confident? Take on the expert level tapestry and create a larger Hello Kitty design that can be displayed as a wall decor. Attach the wooden rod and thread to complete your woven masterpiece. The more you weave, the easier it gets. Mix colors, follow different patterns, and enjoy the relaxing process of creating bead art one row at a time. From keychains and coasters to beautiful tapestries, there's so much you can create with Hello Kitty and Friends Weaving Beads Kit. Learn, create, and have fun while mastering the brand new crafting skill. Grab your Funskool Hello Kitty and Friends Weaving Beads Kit today and start weaving your own colorful creations. Funskool, true to kids, always.